Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic layout of a Google form. On the top left, you'll see the title of your Google form, which you can change. And once you change that, you can see that it'll automatically change it in your title right here in the main section of your Google form. You can add a form description. Below it, it's already created the first question for you. Here's where you would type in the question. You can also put in the answer choices below. Here's where you can select the different types of questions that you can ask in a Google form. You can also add images to your questions. You can also duplicate the question again. Of course, you can delete it. You can make this a requirement to be answered or not. Again, this can be used in many different formats as an assessment or maybe a survey and so forth. To the right, you'll see the Google Forms menu options, which we'll talk about in a different video, as well as more settings here in a different video. Next, on the top right, you'll see that you can select different add-ons to add to your Google Forms. You can customize how your Google form looks like. So if we select here, you can add a header, which you can choose an image from your Google Drive. You can select different theme colors. If you don't like the colors that are here, you can choose to add a custom color. And you can move it around to find the right color. Then click on Add. You can also change the background color if you wish, based on the original theme color that you selected. And you have 4 different choices of fonts to select from as well. Once you're happy with your Google form, you can preview it and it will show you how the users will see that Google form. As you can see here, here's a question. This was a drop down. When you're finished with the preview, you can close it. Another icon here is the settings button, which we'll discuss in a different video. Send, how you're going to share the Google form. If you wanted to add collaborators, you can work with other staff members on how to create this form. You can add them here and then add their name to the Google form so that they can also be editors as well. You can make a copy of this form so you can reuse it and revise it. Perhaps you want to make 2 different versions of, let's say, of an assessment. You can print the Google form as well. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.